Are you searching for the best button maker machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best button maker machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. VEVOR Button Maker 3-in-1 Pin Maker features details, 3-in-1 upgraded version, explore diverse sizes with just one machine. Our button machine can make badges of 25/32/58 mm. It can also craft unique gifts like mirrors, keychains, bottle openers, fridge magnets, and pin buttons, beginner-friendly, no installation hassle. Start creating badges right away. The die end of our button maker machine is designed with alignment scales for easy pattern alignment. Both beginners and families can quickly get started with it. Ergonomic arc handle. Our pin machine features an effort-saving and user-friendly handle, helping you find the right handle pressure scientifically, greatly improving the stability and success rate of badge making. The main body is made of high-strength ABS material, ensuring the handle is not easily broken. Exclusive fun with Mr. Panda. Get creative with our magical book. 3 exciting options: colorful panda patterns, ready to use after cutting, black and white panda patterns, allowing you to showcase your coloring talent, blank pages for your creative freedom. Carry your unique Mr. Panda badge and look cool. All-inclusive accessory set. Everything you need for badge making is here. Our pin maker machine includes 50 each of 0.98/1.25/2.28 inch, 25/32/58 mm iron and plastic bottom badges.